Good morning, everybody, and welcome to What's Hot Now here on the opening bell. I apologize for starting a little bit late, but I wanted to see some of the economic data that's been coming across the tape. We do have the markets in the red. We have the Dow Jones down about $5. It's been waffling between down $5 and down 10 at 18,987. You have the Russell 2000 down 5 at 1329.10. You have the NASDAQ down at 48.41 and a quarter, down about 33 and a half. And then you have the S&Ps down 7 at 21.93 and a quarter. Now I'm looking at the futures, so I'm not looking at the overall, what would normally be the composites that you would hear on the other networks. Gold is also down. It's down firmly at around down $21 at 11.90. So it's broken that $1,200 level. The dollar is up 60 cents at 101.71. So the dollar is finding some strength. That is putting some pressure on the commodity area. We're also seeing that we have the bonds, both the 30-year and the 10-year are down on the opening bell. Now, the stock market just looks like it's taking a breather going into the holiday today. After basically you've seen all of the four major indices, the Dow Jones, the S&P 500, the NASDAQ, and the Russell 2000 hitting all-time highs. Yes, folks, all-time highs yesterday. When you see the Dow at 19,000, well, at least I can say that I've seen something that my parents have never seen, and that's going to be fun conversation at the dinner table this Thanksgiving holiday. But what's really been impressive is the move in the domestically centric Russell 2000. That has been the most powerful index that we've seen post the election, and it's notched, again, all-time highs, extending a 12% move to the upside. Absolutely impressive, and it makes total sense that we could see a breather. It's been a busy session so far with economic data. Also, especially in front of the fact that we are going to be closed tomorrow. So taking a look at the durable orders that came out this morning, it rose about 4.8% versus what was a consensus of about 1.1%. This is really helped upon because of the fact that we've seen transports and transportation equipment on the move to the upside. If you look at it and separate out the transport equipment and the strength in that sector, durable orders still rose about 1%. Again, very positive for that space, and we're going to watch that very closely. Also, we saw that initial claims came in a little bit higher than what was expected at 251,000. Again, weighing on the market. We're going to watch this employment data going further. One other thing is that we've seen that Treasury yields are starting to tick up. As I had noted, bonds over the last couple of weeks, the yields have gone through the roof. The 10-year yield is up another 3 basis points at 2.35% this morning, and that's 60 basis points over the last month since November 1st. It's been absolutely impressive. We still have some housing data that's going to be out. The FHFA housing price index is going to be out in about 10 minutes at 9 a.m. Eastern time. We're also going to have new home sales in the final reading for the November Michigan sentiment out at 10 Eastern. We're also going to have the crude inventory number out at roughly around 10:30 Eastern. Keep an eye on that. That could move the crude markets. We also have this afternoon, the FOMC minutes are going to be out for from the November 2nd meeting. If you look at the Fed funds tool, that prices in the probability of a potential rate hike coming into their December meeting. Bottom line is it's at 100%. They're going to raise rates. And right now it's at 100%. So highest level it's been in any previous month. The healthcare sector is taking a little bit on the chin this morning. Eli Lilly announced that its highly anticipated Alzheimer drug did not meet the primary endpoint on the clinical trials. Ticker symbol LLY. Eli Lilly is down about 13% right now. This has had a heavy impact on Biogen as well, trading lower about, that's ticker symbol BIIB, down about 9%. And they're also have an Alzheimer's drug that's that was in a study. We're going to watch that one very closely. In earnings news, we talked about this last night in Tech Talk as well as the closing bell. John Deere traded higher by about 11%, all new time high, after reporting stronger than expected quarterly report as well as outlook going forward. This is helping other peers like Caterpillar, ticker symbol CAT, CNHI, and you're also seeing on the tech side HPQ and HPE, HP and HP Enterprises, both under pressure, down about 2% each. They had lackluster reports. We talked about those last night in Tech Top. Also, Urban Outfitter, ticker symbol URBN. We talked about that one last night on Tech Talk as well. Down about 11% after they missed on both top and bottom lines. But we did have a positive earnings announcement from GameStop. GME up about 7%. They had encouraging results, and they gave better than expected guidance. I think as the day progresses, you're going to see that the volume's going to get a little bit lighter as trading desks start to clear out for the Thanksgiving holiday. As a matter of fact, this is going to be the last MarketStream.live show for this week. I will still be online. You can check us out at MarketStream.live and also our Twitter feed, the Twitter feed at MarketStream.live. The U.S. markets will be closed tomorrow on 11/24. They will be open for a half-day Friday. We will not be online. European and Asian markets will be open, though, on Thursday. So for those of you that are enthusiasts and looking for something to do, you can actually watch that while you're watching football and eating turkey. But it is a U.S. holiday, and so action is going to be limited. So till then, I want to wish everyone a happy Thanksgiving. Everyone be safe, and we will see you Monday morning at 8:30 Eastern Time for the overnight action. Oh, and Sunday night, we're going to be doing a Sunday night event. So stay tuned. You'll hear more about it. I will be online, and I'll be doing a show that will set up the trading week on Sunday night. So see you then. Take care. Have a wonderful Thanksgiving to you and your family.